Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a Mexican cuisine. A delightful treat made from a savory or sweet filling encased in a soft, steamed corn dough. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as tamales, tamales, ta, ma, lees, tamales. Tamales are often enjoyed during celebrations such as Christmas and New Year's, as well as at family gatherings and festive events. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about tamales, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.